How to update to Snapchat. Here's a quick guide on how to update Snapchat on your iPhone device. It's a super easy process. All you have to do is open the App Store. Now once you open App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Scroll down to find the pending updates. From here, find Snapchat and tap on update as it's already updated in my case, but in your case if it needs updating it will be shown right here, update. Tap on update and your Snapchat will be updated. Make sure you have a good internet connection, and if you don't see Snapchat in the updates you are already good to go. There is one next method is search Snapchat. Here you can see update right here if it needs updating. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what Snapchat tips you want next. And thank you for watching.